Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Bioexam and Research Support by Dr. Rachna. So as you all are appearing for rubber board exam tomorrow, so it is very important to know what is the mission of rubber board and different important points about rubber cultivation, because questions from these area will also come. I have analyzed two papers and I have found that there are so many questions on rubber plantation. So first of all, you must understand that what is the mission of Rubber Board. So the Rubber Board is the national level organization responsible for the overall development of the Indian rubber industry, as it written over here. So when I analyze the question paper, I have found that there are different types of questions like about the chemical nature, different scientific names, and how it is planted and all of that. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you explanation of previous year questions asked on this topic, that is rubber plantation, and also I will discuss some key points that will help you to solve questions in exam tomorrow. Now, so let's get started with the previous year question. So the first question from 2022 was, the following is called the Sierra rubber. So here you have to write, like memorize that many hot glaziovi, the name, which is the scientific name of Sierra rubber, and it is a native of Brazil, and it is used as an alternative source of natural rubber. In the next question, you can see the correct answer is para rubber, wherein they are asking about the indigenous and non-indigenous plant. So here all other options like pigeon pea, black pepper and jackfruit are indigenous to like India. It is grown in India. And while a para rubber tree, which is also called Hevia brasiliensis, is not the native of India. Moving to the next question. So, which is the first genetically modified tree planted under confined field conditions in India? And the answer is again Hevia brasiliensis, which is para rubber. And this information I have got from Hindustan Times cutting, newspaper cutting, in which they have mentioned that it is the world's first genetically modified rubber sapling, which was planted at Rubber Board Farm on the outskirts of Guwahati, Assam. And this genetically modified plant has additional copies of gene manganese containing superoxide dismutase in it, and it is expected to revolutionize natural rubber production in India, as per the news. Now, moving to the next question, which I have solved in the previous video also, which is about the like Hevia brasiliensis is also known as. So you must know the common names as well as scientific names of different rubber plant, and I have mentioned in the end of the video. You can take the screenshot of that also. So here the answer will be para rubber. Now the next question is, the annual process of shedding of leaves in deciduous tree like rubber is called. So you have to remember there are two terms. Defoliation means shedding of leaves, and refoliation means formation of new leaves after defoliation. So the answer is C, that is defoliation. Next question is, rubber is propagated through seed, stem cuttings, bud grafting and layering, and the correct answer is bud grafting. So commercial rubber plantation of Hevia brasiliensis are mainly propagated by bud grafting, that is budding. And the next question says that chemically natural rubber is. So the natural rubber is chemically a polymer of isoprene units and called polyisoprene, because there are so many isoprene units. So it is a polyisoprene, and the correct answer will be B. Now, so there are some important points that you can remember, that Hevia brasiliensis is the main commercial rubber tree of the world, and it belongs to which family? Euphorbiaceae family, and the species originated in Brazil. And rubber is grown as an important plantation crop. In India, Kerala is the leading rubber producing state. Also, you all know about it. The rubber board headquarter is located at Kottayam, Kerala. Then rubber grows best in warm and humid tropical climates. So these are the important points that you can memorize and revise for the exam, and it will help you, because in each paper I have seen at least 5 questions are from rubber related thing. And now the economic product obtained from the tree is latex, and latex is milky white fluid present in the plant, and it is collected. Latex is processed to obtain natural rubber. So these are the steps through which the rubber is processed from collected latex. Then you also know that, as you have seen in the question, that natural rubber mainly consists of polyisoprene, and then one important term is vulcanization. So the elasticity of rubber can be improved by vulcanization. And similarly, there are so many important points I have mentioned over here. You can memorize it. And along with that, you must revise the common names and the scientific names of each type of rubber, because one or the other question will be from this. And so, thank you so much for watching this video, and all the best for your exam. And feel free to connect with me. And after your exam, please share your experience, because it will help the future aspirants. And all the best once again.